Turkish dramas are growing increasingly popular with people everywhere. 2023 has new release of Turkish dramas featuring everything from romance to action and spooky dramas too. Here in this video we are talking about the top 7 latest Turkish drama series of 2023 that you might like to add to your watch list. So without further ado, let's begin with the number 7. Number 7. You will see it in your dreams. The film brings together Engin and Palin, who do not believe in love and marriage in a dream. Engin, a successful businessman who values power, success in a luxurious life, achieves everything he wants in life, while Palin, the naive, dreamy and powerful daughter of a middle-class family, believes that she should wait for her Prince Charming, who will accept her as she is. The paths of two cross at a party, and at the end of the night they do not remember what happened. They find themselves in a dream which they have been married for 2 years. Number 6. This Tappy. The premise of this television novel is quite simple and it revolves around the investigation of a murder. The plot places alongside Safi, an experienced police chef who, together with rookie cop Nuri Pelham, the investigation of a child murder that takes place in the city under his jurisdiction as far as security is concerned. The case will lead the police parent to Mr. Abbas and Delera, his daughter, both well-known people in their social circles. Number 5. The Hunter. In this action series, 10 talented soldiers face off against their enemies in order to protect their homeland. The age of chaos that started worldwide caused all countries to review their security policies when the energy begins are left. Through the control of terrorist organization, a new era is entered in which border security begins for beyond the border. Number 4. Favorite Letter. The series will follow the showdown and that results from the love that blossomed between the two kids of lovers who parted way years ago because of a letter. Eleanor and Zia's parents, separated by letters a year ago, unexpectedly intersect because of their children, and between the two families, a breathtaking showdown takes place over young lovers. Number 3. The Nine. The series will follow the actions and struggles of the secret 9% operations team. This unit, which is the apple of the eye of Turkish armed forces, will fight for the Turkey, who are persecuted all over the world. Number 2. The Family. This is a story of Iceland, who is the son of large family, runs nightclub. This man possesses a dark and mysterious character and is extremely shrewd psychologist. Devon will enter the life of this difficult man and it becomes intense. The star-studded series is also rumored to contain some mafia elements. Number 1. My Name is Farah. Fans' favorite Engin Akyurek and Demet Özdemir lead the Turkish remake, which is based on the critically acclaimed Argentinian series. The cleaning lady, My Name is Farah, tells the story of Farah, who had to flee from her country and struggle to survive with her ailing son illegally. After unintentionally witnessing a murder, her life intersects with Tahit Lexus, whom she meets the same night. Like the original series, the Martha Farah witness will drastically change her life as subsequently she becomes a cleaning lady. Organized crime, making the best of her wits and intelligence, Farah will create her own path in the criminal underworld, whatever it takes to survive. That's all for today's video. I hope you all like this and will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.